What's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back, and me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything is Gucci with you. I got this 2023. This is the 5th generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Alright. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life in this baby. Alright. For me, if you ask me, it looked the same as the 4th generation facelift 2 Jeep Grand Cherokee, which is like from 2017 to 2021. So if you compare, shout outs to everybody that support the channel. Okay, thank you for the love. Where would I be without y'all? And check out the merch, new merch, all right, in the description. More or less, I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do this other change. All right, ready, set, go. Maybe what it changed a little bit in this generation, 5th generation, is the screen. But you watch the other video, you see what I'm talking about. All right, okay, you want to open the hood? Pull this lever. All right, that's how you open the hood. You see a symbol. All right, now the latch is gonna be right here in the middle. Push it to the left. Okay, pop. You don't need to hold the hood because it has 2 pistons over there. You need. Okay, here. Engine oil cap. It tells you what type of oil, 0W20. Then the oil filter is right here. Okay, it's right here. Alright. Alright. Coolant reservoir. Auxiliary battery right there. Oil dipstick, the yellow one. Engine oil filter. This is for the AC. Okay, if you want to refill it, there's one port. Here's the other port. Okay, you hook up the machine to these ports. That's how you recharge the AC. This is a 3.6 liter engine. Okay, brake fluid. All right, it takes that 3 pretty much. What else? Got the fan over there, individual fan, all the pulleys, the alternator over there. Pretty much. Windshield fluid reservoir. Yeah, let's go to the bottom. Let's drain this oil. Or, you know what? Let's do this guy right here. 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Yeah. With this right here, this is a 24 millimeter socket, 3/8. You see the vibes. I'm gonna go to here, turn it counterclockwise to lose it. Of course, I'm not gonna do it with a hand. I'm gonna do it with a 3/8 ratchet, non chain. Just like that. Now we can pull it out by hand. Okay, paper. That's how it looks like. All right. Now we go down there, pause to drain the oil. Let's get it. Spare tire, donut, whatever you want to call it. Here, EPB, real brakes. Alright. Now here's our oil drain plug. This is gonna be 10 millimeter. This one maybe 14. Right here, let's see. This one. Right, this one, 13. There. Here it is. That's gonna be 13. 13 or 12. Alright. All right. Set, go. What you think about that oil? Can I go another 3,000 miles with it? Let me know. We're done with it, right? Because I don't want to hear, yo, you didn't drain all the oil. This and that. I'm showing you how to do it. I'm like, come on, Cole. If you want to stay all night with it, be my guest. I'm just showing you how to do it, alright? Okay, chop. Tight it, snug it, put everything back. Boom. Alright, ready? Show you how to do this oil filter and chain. Pop, just like that. Grab your lap pick, the one that you use to open doors. Psych. Just kidding. Just like that. We're gonna clean it. Spray some brake cleaner and chain. Yeah. I'm gonna grab the new oil filter. Got the oil ring. Just gonna put it like that. Grab the oil ring. Make sure you put it back where it belongs. Right here, okay? Not there yet, right there. Just like that, alright? Now tell me this though. Should I use WD-40 or grease? And what's the difference? Let me know, put it in the comment box. I wanna know. Don't forget here too. Okay, so is it grease or WD-40? And what's the difference? And why would you use it? Alright, done with this. Now up here, all we do, just put it over here, like that. Ain't tied it with the 24, alright? 24 millimeter socket. Tied it, snug it. Alright, after you tied that oil filter, put your funnel there. It says this car 3.6 liter takes 5 quarts. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use a 0W20. That's the type of oil it takes. Alright, 0W20, 5 quarts. Let's go. Yeah, grab the oil. Do it slowly though. You don't want it to overflow. Alright, 5 quarts. Alright. Remove your funnel. Alright. Put the engine oil cap back. And that's it with this baby. Oh, always check the oil level, alright? But for that you gotta start the car. Look. Put the engine oil cap back, okay, right there. Go start the car, let it run for a minute so the oil go through the oil filter, especially this oil filter, okay, which is cartridge. And then stop the car, shut it down, give it a minute for the oil to drop to the oil pan. Then check the level with the oil dipstick. Easy, alright? Alright guys, time is up. How to reset the oil life. Car is off. Okay, there's 2 ways to reset the oil life. With the brake pedal. No, gas pedal, my bad. And with the commands over here. With the pedal, you already know. Just press this. Gotta be in run. step on the gas pedal 3 times, and that's it. All right. The other way is you're gonna see all this. Okay, oil change required. Press it down. Press it down, and you'll see. All right. If you don't see it right away, you have to scroll to the left or right. Okay. That's how you find the tire pressure also. You see it, oil life. Now it tells you right there, hold OK to reset. Press it and hold it. Let it go. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby, alright? Thank you for watching. You know, this is me, Axtuo, alright? Check the merch, alright? Go to the website, which is in the description box of this video. You see the website? It says, get your merch now. Check it out. Thank you. Shout outs for to everybody that support the channel, subscribers, viewers, okay? Like, share, comment. Anything you want to say about this baby, put it in the comment box, okay? Let me know how you feel about this Jeep Grand Cherokee 2023 5th generation. All right, I leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy Axtuo. Boom, clacking now. Audi, yeah.